the ambient temp out here right now. Xander's keeping an eye on that. All right, back up and running. Got that fuel hose all taken care of. Nice and clean. No more leaky. Let her get into temp. All right, let her be. We will see. Alright, so we're at 129 on our gauge. And the fan just came on, right?
Yeah.
Good. We're looking good here. I don't mind that. That's just coming out of here. The couplings. Not really sealed. They're sealed here, that's what matters. Bubbly. Good, that means the force that's moving, circulating. How much? 159 on the Bing Bang, and it's just holding. Perfection. Now, we're going to put the cap on it, fill the expansion tank, and we're going to let her idle a little bit longer. We'll turn the air on it, and then we'll go for a drive. Let's see when she's dead full. Put the cap on. Now we're going to pop off our expansion down. Vents down. Running like 20 minutes now, and we're just hanging out at 164. So we're gonna turn the air on and just see what she does for a minute.